Video na, bawa na.
Ano lagi na?
Kasi sila na nagduha ko.
Alika ni daw.
Oy, ano si boss? Oy, ano si boss ni Mone? Doon ka, bagi.
Hindi daw ni.
Pakita na mama si Lynn. Hindi ka na si Lynn. Yan na si Lynn.
No. Arong. Right.
Smile.
Gakos si Nana.
Kawal ko sa tiri ka. Oy.
Doon ka siya.
Dance na lang, dance.
Kaya ka mo, oy. Ay, isang kini. Butcher ba ko lang. Ako lang lang. Bago lang. Isang yung butcher. Ang ulo, giana. Usa na. Gini ba?
Laksi?
Laksi.
Simpatid ni, oh. Katawan kayo ito, nag-git-git na si Lynn. Hi, kaway. Hi, Mama Silene.
Love you.
Kiss. Hi, sorry. Happy birthday, Nana. Jack is very proud of you. And I know you've been a very good cousin, a sister. Kasi you're very mapinanggaon jud kaayo sa imong mga andira tao pa sa palibot nimo. Loving kay kasi mong parents. Continue jud na anak kay kanang treasure ang moments jud sa kinabuhi. Bad times o happy times kay lahi ra jud. But anyway, kanang i-wish na ako nga ma-reach niyo imong goals o makanayo malipayon. Always pray to God, and Ate I love you so much. You're always still my baby. And see you soonest. I love you.
Happy birthday! You're 18 today, and we hope you have a wonderful, happy day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nana. My dearest Nana, you're so pretty. You're so beautiful.
Oh yeah,
And
you're gorgeous.
oh my God, we are so proud of you, and we hope your dreams will come true.
To the first baby of the family, my first niece, happy 18th birthday, Nana. Anya is so proud of you. You've become such a beautiful young lady. I pray that all your dreams will come true, all your heart's desire will come true, and yeah, I don't know, in my heart you're still a baby, and I want you to know also that we appreciate you so much. You're such a good ate to your the little babies of the family, Nana, Nani, Leo, Naninyo, Dos, and Trev. Thank you so much, Nana. I love you very much, and now that you're 18, we can drink together, we can shot. If Mama and Papa Tot won't allow you, Anya's here, I got you. And yeah, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Nana. I love you.